you get to heaven, write this down, you get to heaven and you don't find me there, you have gone to hell.
Hello, what's going on, YouTube? Hopefully you guys are enjoying your day. I am having a great day today. Had a interesting morning here in the Manosphere, and I wanted to do like a quick video and unboxing, also show you some of the new stuff that I got. Right here we have the Rumble module from Teenage Engineering, and plugged it in. Haven't really messed around with it, but it does add a significant amount of bass to the OPZ, which I have right here. That first piece of gear I showed you guys was a Rick and Morty pocket, a pocket beat maker, which I'm about to head to the store right now and grab a beer. I need to get a cigar and get some batteries for it. This right here though is the OPZ. It costs about $600, and this module right here, this costs about $89. You can get it $10 off for like $79 if you get it renewed on Amazon. But I was like, I just might as well get it new, so I won't have any problems and stuff like that. Gonna definitely kind of lock in today and sit back and create some music and stuff like that. I find it funny. I had a conversation with a couple of guys in the Manosphere earlier this morning, and I kind of started contemplating all the work and stuff that I put in in my shows and stuff. How I don't run like a fake tech channel. You know what I'm saying? I kind of show you guys the things that I'm talking about. I actually deliver you guys, endless content, and always show you guys, new, gear and equipment and things like that. And to a degree, I'm kind of questioning the validity of, not even the validity, I'm just questioning, is, the work that I put in on this channel, showing you guys a lot of things that you guys have never seen or considered using, or just overlooked. I've been really giving you guys a lot of game and tech information, and I just don't want it to fall on deaf ears. I mean, I know I got a lot of supporters and fans and stuff like that, but the disrespect that I was kind of met with this morning going into the afternoon kind of really rubbed me the wrong way. And I just want to let you know, man, I'm kind of upset about a little, a couple of different things, but hey, man, it ain't nothing to me, man. I'm gonna keep on moving, man, But I did want to show you this OPZ that I got here. Nobody in the Manosphere is really showing you guys any real tech. They just talk about it. They don't really, have the things that they talk about. I wanted to actually show you and kind of give you some details on, what I'm going to be working on soon when it comes down to content. What I laid that OPZ on is the Rolly Seaboard block. 350, really great piano. Well, it's not even a piano, it's something in and of itself, but really interesting item. I've been using it for a couple days, getting the hang of it. I was really waiting for the synth to come because I can make and create music on this synth, without a computer and stuff like that. I could actually hook it up to my phone. In the back, I got the P4. These are like the instructions, for the module, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to be messing around with this today. I can just lay this on the board and, learn that way, which is pretty cool. I actually scratched you'll see a little bit later the back of my synth with my nails, because I didn't understand how the screws work. I thought you really had to screw them off, and I kind of scratched it up right here. But it kind of peeled a little bit, but I'm not gonna mess with it. I guess it's uniquely mine now. I guess. Now, if you see in the background, there's a P4, and there's a mic from all the way from 2005 that a guy on here told me to get, which is the Electro Voice ND767A. Really cool mic, is going to be worth a lot of money in the future. Actually, right now I'm speaking into that same mic, and I'm speaking into that PodTrack P4 that you see right there. And that's how I'm capturing the audio for today's show. I think I got my levels right. I might be getting a little bit loud or clipping at a certain point, but here's where I actually scratched. I actually scratched, the screw right there. So I'm kind of looking at it, and I'm like, oh shit, it is scratched and stuff, because it has a screw module that you can use to screw it, and my feeble attempt to try to do it with the USB-C. But the bad thing is that the module is actually in the damn machine, and you can't really get it until you open up the module. And I didn't really see any videos of people talking about the Rumble Pack, and how to really how to put this Rumble Pack in. So I cut the video and made sure that, okay, I'm gonna put it in on the next one.